it's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, y'all, so I have, a human hair review for you guys today, and it has been a long time coming. So, before we get into the video, if you are new here, welcome, Shug Muffin. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'd like to apologize in advance for this very low, dim lighting at the beginning of this video. It will change momentarily. Alright, so I have this 613 bob unit that I'm going to begin by spraying my Got To Be Glued Free Spray on the lace area so that the color does not bleed through the lace. Now I'm just filling this small tub with some very hot boiling water. I'll be using the Adore semi-permanent hair coloring in the color Cinnamon and Cajun Spice. I'm starting by adding some of this Cajun Spice to the boiling water and then using my mini wisp to mix it. And then I'm using a paper towel to do a color test, and I realize it's a little more orange than I like it, so now I'm going to go ahead and follow up with adding some of this cinnamon color to the mix. And I'm making sure I am blending it very well to avoid having any patches of color in the hair. So I'm doing a second test, and this is more of the color I was going for. Now I'm going to begin dipping the hair into the water, and then I'm going to go ahead and submerge it in the water and kind of blend it around in the water to make sure it is evenly coated all throughout the hair. This water is still really hot, so that's why I'm using this little mini whisk to kind of mix it around. So during this first initial hair test, I noticed that there were some pieces that weren't as coated as others, so I'm adding some more of the color and mixing it back in again, making sure there are no patches in the water, and then I'm going to resubmerge the hair back into the water. So now all of the hair has been evenly coated with the color, and I can go ahead and begin the washing process. I'm going to wash it as well as deep condition it with this Aussie Moist product. Now, as a deep conditioner, I like to let my unit sit in this plastic bag or cap for at least an hour. Alright, so here's the unit after it's been blow dried as well as flat ironed, and now I'm ready to apply the wig. So I have turned the wig inside out so that I can add some of my foundation to the lace area to make it blend with my skin color because it was a little light. So now I'm placing little marks using an eyeliner pencil around my head where I need to place the Got To Be Glued gel so that I can place it exactly where it needs to be, and then I don't have like an over excessive amount of gel in areas I don't need it. This is the first time I've done this, and it actually worked very well. Alright y'all, so the wig I'm reviewing today is a wig I actually purchased off Amazon. Y'all know I'm an Amazon junkie. I love bringing you the Amazon human hair units that's on the low, that's budget friendly. So to be quite honest, I purchased this wig way back in October of 2019 and I paid $80 for her. I will check to see what she costs today with these same specification and put the cost up here on the screen if she's changed. Now this unit was purchased as a blonde bob lace front human hair wig and she came pre-plucked 13 by 4 inches with 180% density, and she also came with a middle part. Now of course it's 13 by 4, so you can shift that as you may. I could have easily went in with a side part, left side part, right side part, doesn't matter, but I chose to keep it as a middle part. Now I did color this unit using the water method, which is very popular right now. And honestly, this was supposed to be a fall unit, like I was supposed to come out with this video in the fall for this fall color, but she's here now. Yep, here she is. This was my very first time using the water method, so you know I was quite pleased of the outcome. I mean, it was a process, and it wasn't really a hard process, to be honest. It was a very simple method actually. So then after I colored the unit, I did go ahead and blow dry it by hand and then flat iron it, and then she just sat on a mannequin head forever until today, until I decided to pick her up and throw her on. Now, after the unit actually dried, I absolutely love the texture. It's very soft and very easy to comb through, very easy to flat iron. It's a very nice texture. I actually wish it was a little more density. I honestly don't believe that it's 180% density because it's really not that full, in my opinion. Yeah, I think that might be a little false advertisement there. Just don't think it's 180% density. It's very, very light. It's a very large cap, so I considered adding an elastic band as well as a comb in the back because there is no comb, but I just never remembered to do that. So it actually fits quite well without it. So even though it was a large cap, I just kind of put the adjustable straps together, and that helped. So all my bigger head friends, this would fit you perfectly and you probably don't even have to adjust the adjustable straps. Now I have not been experiencing any tangling with this unit. However, the shedding is excessive. It could be my fault though, I'm not sure. I did go in and do some tweezing in the parting space and along the hairline, so it could be my fault that it's shedding, but it is shedding heavily. So let me know what y'all think about this color. Would you rock it any season, even though this was supposed to be a fall unit? Would you rock it now, or would you wait for the fall? I mean, I love this color, y'all. I didn't think I would love it this much, but I really do. It's very, very pretty. Leave me any comments down below. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.